Have you ever wondered what the constellations look like for the dinosaurs? Well, the truth is, we have no idea. We actually have no clue what the night sky looked like for them, and that's for a couple of reasons. So first off, stars move, and we can calculate these movements, and we call it proper motion. And we take this data, and we can actually look at what stars would probably look like in the future. And there's been different animations that has been done by the ESA. So there's one that's really cool, where it's 2 million stars looking at them of how they would move over 5 million years. And you can start to see that the constellations start getting weird, that they get unrecognizable. And they also did another one that is really good, of that they actually did one that is 40,000 stars over 1.6 million years, but they added lines that you can actually see where they moved and how they moved. And as you can see, they're kind of moving all over the place because they're moving through the Milky Way and it's all over our sky, and it just shows that it's really kind of chaotic. And the truth is, there is some error to this, and over time that error starts to build up, so we really don't know exactly where they're going to go. And that's the same case for us trying to move backwards, as we can't be 100% for sure. But there's also another major issue with trying to go backwards. A lot of the stars didn't exist. There was just stars that a lot of them were born after the dinosaurs. So let's take the Orion constellation, for instance. So the Orion constellation does change over time. Someone has made an animation of 50,000 BC to 50,000 AD. And as you can see, most of them are kind of in the similar area, but there is one that moves a lot, and that is the case for a lot of constellations, that some of them move a lot faster than the other stars. But the thing is, a lot of this constellation just didn't exist for the dinosaurs. So Rigel, one of the really bright stars in Orion, only popped up like 7 to 10 million years ago. Betelgeuse, or Betelgeuse, whichever way you want to say it, is 8 to 14 million years ago. The Orion Nebula, one of the most beautiful things that people love to look at in the Orion constellation, is 1 to 3 million years ago. So a lot of this just popped up after the dinosaurs, because the dinosaurs last lived 66 million years ago. So they had an entirely different set of stars and constellations that we have no idea, because the stars died out before we ever saw them. And that's also something really cool with the dinosaurs, is the first dinosaurs, which were 230 million years ago, would have also seen a completely different sky than the last dinosaurs. So over the time, the dinosaurs were seeing different stars, which is just super cool. And so that's something, is make sure, go out during the nighttime, look up at the night sky, appreciate those stars and constellations, because you are one of the few living organisms that will actually see this night sky.